Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for scrap timber. It's a video a day and this layout is for Kitaholic Kits, and I use this inspiration for my layout today. And I decided to use one of the cut files that is given to our subscribers, and I cut it out in two different ways. I made one as a stencil, which is what you're seeing me do right here, and then another one I did in one of the colored papers along with backing it with some vellum. So what I wanted this stencil to look like was a brick wall of butterflies going up the page. So I made sure that I went outside of the stencil and made it kind of fade in and out on both sides of the layout or of the stencil so that it looks right. So it looks kind of like the wall. Because I didn't want to pick this up and then make another one. I just wanted it one sheet to go up like one time. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm flattening it out. I did use a bunch of gesso on this before I did put this down because I knew I was going to come in with this and then also some shimmers paints as well for my stash. So as you see that changed over and dried, and now I'm coming in with the three colors that match like I did the last one from last week's layout, and it's the Vibes, the Ginny Bee Blue, Shimmers, Heavy Metal, and then Spritz, A Chance of Rain. So I do the Ginny Bee Blue first right here, and then I do the Chance of Rain next, and then I end up with the Shimmers, Heavy Metal at the end of it. Sorry if you could hear my can of water opening up for that. Needed something to drink. Sorry about that. Okay, so here I am. Now this is done, and I kind of wanted this to fall just a little bit. So what I did was that I backed that up on some foam tape for that part of it, and then I did also come in and cut this down and get that all like straight. So what I did was that I went through the pattern paper and I found this blue. Excuse me. I found this blue and I was like, you know what? I wanted to back this, but because we had a challenge of not using the 12 by 12 paper pad or 12 by 12 sheet of paper as pattern paper, I decided to gut it so I wasn't using a full sheet of pattern paper. And what I decided to do was that I went and did this and made sure that everything was down and it looked good for this, and I put down my really good tape because I knew I was going to come in with just a little bit more of what was I thinking of? More mixed media, just a little bit, just enough so this double stick tape is a lot better for it. So here I go. I am taking down all of the little, I did little dimensionals throughout. So I was just taking off the pieces, and I leave it so that you can see where I put my pictures. Now I want you to make sure that you go over to the Kitaholic Kits and check them out. All of their information will be linked down below. As well as I want you guys to go check out Laura Albert and also Natalie Bowers. We have been doing a video a day, and I've been doing pretty good. Considering that I thought I wasn't going to be able to do a video a day, so far I've been able to put up a video a day. I've been doing good. Sometimes it's been last minute at night, and I've been staying up late, but it's been working, and it doesn't bother me. I'm a night owl, and a day. It's like I'm good. I'm a big night owl, but I'm also good that once I get up in the morning and I have my coffee, like I'm ready to go. Like my energy is just all there. So, but yeah, I've been doing pretty good. The guest designer that we have for today, and this is going up on the 16th. So we have two. This is Sam Adams and Julie McNeil. So everybody will be linked down below. Make sure that you go check out them, like and subscribe to their channel just like you did subscribe to mine. And also, if you're coming from them, welcome. I hope that you like the content that you see here, And also make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. Now I'm just putting down all of the layering that I am doing here, and I'm just wanting it to look very brickish, like very wall-ish, not very uniform, kind of very distressed, and I just really want it to look good. And so now I wanted to place these. These are from Triberg Wasserfall that we went to in the summer/fall when my son got back from his dad's, and I wanted to get it scrapbook. So the pictures that I took and used last week are the complimentary pages. So the pictures that I have of my son and daughter like hanging out with each other at the Triberg Wasserfall, this is the pictures of it, and it's the like spring/summer, so, or like fall. Even though this was done in August, it was warm, but still a cooler day out for us because we were in Germany, obviously. And Wasserfall means waterfall. And now I'm just rounding out to do a little bit more of the embellishments. I do get out some of this Prima stuff right here. I think Prima. And this Prima is a little bit harder for me to use than I don't gravitate to them at all. And I have to find a way to use most of it. It's going to be a little hard and challenging, but I think I've got it down so far. I think this layout turned out really well. And the page, or the layout that I did yesterday, or last week I should say, as well. And I placed that bird down because I wanted it to look like it was kind of sitting on the brick and the butterflies there. And then I do cut out a little notch there on the edge. I haven't done that in a while, so I decided, you know what, I'm going to pull a nice little Missy Wooden right there. And I haven't done, like I said, I haven't done that in a while, and I wanted to. And then I just placed down little things here just to make it look kind of nice and neat and pretty. And I just get stuff glued down, and I just start to make sure I round out all of my embellishments for this. Obviously, you guys know that I will have the still shots coming up at the end. I am moving pretty quickly. My title is going to be called Good Times, and you'll see what I do with that. I did cut that heart in half, and you'll see that I will use it for both sides. I just need, you'll see it come in there on that play. I am also making sure that all of that is taken care of. There's where I put that heart in because I kind of stretched it a little bit to make it look like a bigger heart than what it really was. And then I come in with some flowers on the bottom and the top of this. And I'm just adding little things. I added a couple of rocks. One of them says hope, the other one says dream. And then I do come in with these butterflies, more butterflies, with this because, you know, it just doesn't have enough. Not only did I make the modeling paste look like butterflies, I have butterflies on there. And then let's just add some more, right? It just adds to it. And I think it turns out really well, actually, to be honest. And now I'm just finishing up my embellishing. Now I'm just finishing this part of it up, and then it's pretty much done. So you'll see me come in with my splatters. You will also see the still shots at the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to everybody that is listed down below. Make sure that you go check out the Kitaholic Kits because I really enjoy those as well. And I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!